Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Mosint tool in your Kali Linux in Android. First you have to make your terminal update and upgrade. For making terminal update and upgrade you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. After this you have to clone your Mosint tool in your Kali Linux. For cloning your Mosint tool you have to type get clone, and I given the link in the Telegram channel, so please visit my Telegram channel. I given the link there. You can copy that link, the Mosint link. After that, copy the link from there. After copying the link from there, you have to paste it here. After pasting here, you have to press enter. After that, it will take some time in your terminal. I have already installed this one tool, guys. That's why it's showing for me like this. After, you have to make ls and you have to search for the Mosint. Change the directory, copy it and paste it here. You have to change the directory. For the change directory you have to type cd, and after again make ls. See, you are in the Mosint now. Clear it, clear the terminal. After that you have to make again ls for the list. See guys, there is a many commands are there, so it will work in the Go language. So you have to install the Go language. For installing the Go language you have to type apt install go lang. This also take some time in your terminal, guys, so please install this tool. After installing this tool, again make ls and clear it. See, there is a main.go. There is a command main.go. So in this video I will show only the installation video here. The full practical video I will show in my Telegram channel, so please visit my Telegram channel. So this video is only for the education purpose. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.